Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I present to you the LEGO Gong Bubble Tea Maker, a mechanical creation that assembles the iconic royal milk tea. Bubble tea, in general, is a milky or fruity tea drink with cool jelly-like bits inside, commonly pearls. For this machine, I stuck with the traditional tapioca pearls. Hey, I asked for pearls. Hang on, I know just what to do. Welcome back to the LEGO Whiz cooking show, where today we prepare some tapioca pearls. We start off by measuring out some pearls. Let's head to the stove. Oh yeah. Whoa, that is heavy. Sprinkle a bit of brown sugar and we are done. Tune in next time for the LEGO Whiz cooking show. A rubber Lego element acts as a spring to press the sleeves, creating contact with the rollers. Here is what I call the mechanical programmer. Just like an electronic program, it coordinates different dispensing units and ensures they all do their job at the right time. On the conveyor belt there are pins that control switches. One conveyor turns the switches on whilst the other turns them off. The bottom racks are responsible for controlling when cups move from one position to the next. This is achieved using a clutch system. From a single motor, the transmission is distributed throughout all systems. Two cylinders contain the tapioca pearls, one for each round. The pearls are released when the lids at the bottom swing out of the way. A ratchet system is being used so that the pearls don't let loose just from their weight. Now the top racks of the programmer, they are responsible for controlling the pneumatic switch that regulates airflow into the top of the bottle. When there is no air supply to the bottle, the tea does not flow out. Open air can have access to the top of the bottle when the switch is flipped by a pin. Only then does the tea dispense. But how does the machine know when to stop? The single motor in the bubble tea maker is controlled by an electronic switch that is blocked when the machine is on standby. A coin is inserted and slides on into the timer unit. The coin disables the contraption that prevents the switch from turning on. The button can be pressed, this time turning on the motor and its units. Here the footage is sped up. Normally, a single round requires a bit of time for the bubble tea to be assembled. On its way back, the sliding contraption turns the machine off, ready for the next customer. Never have I felt so rewarded with being able to share another journey with you. It was no smooth process and I could not have done this without the support of my fellow viewers. A special mention to Basketballer99, Astonishing Studios, Electro Dragonite, Lucas Jensen and the LEGO Group for helping me through all the perseverance. You can find their channels in the video description. I found that the pearls could drop more easily when using a modified syringe barrel. I only had the chance to first understand the properties of the wet ingredients during the filming stage. In general, working with liquids isn't the easiest of tasks, but I love the challenge and I learned so much throughout these past few months. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.